So this is the exit. The entrance is just over there. But you see here to the left is the club, the tennis club. So you could live here and be 10 minutes without traffic going up to where Keisha dances, which is up this Diagonal 6. It's up to almost 30 minutes in bad traffic, depending on the time of day. I think getting there is going to be a lot quicker. Coming back is a lot quicker than getting there. So it's good to have her dance in the afternoon going there and coming back. So it's not so bad coming back. So anyway, this is where we are. You'll understand it better as we come right around the corner here. So this is the club right there. You can see the courts just on the other side of this wall, and the flags for the tennis club. It's right here. So here's Club Hercules. So that's how far it is, and there's Nettie. So here's the first court. See, so we were just right there. So the condominiums are just right back there. The club. So they're planning on having a pool here, right? A pool. ¿Va a tener una piscina aquí? ¿Va a tener una piscina? 6 meses? ¿Un año? 10 años?
Dijo que empieza el 20 de febrero, en 4 meses más.
¿En 4 meses va a tener? Ok.
Debajo de esta cancha.
Jonathan. Abajo.
Esta la van a hacer nueva, las van a...
They're going to put the swimming pool right here in 4 months. So there's Tennyson playing, hitting right down there. Not her, but behind her, right there. So those are the apartments that are available, or condominiums. So what do you think of that?